Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create a half sunset look with some blue, kind of like an oceany feel, and some glitter. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Volume 2 palette and the Alexis Stone Makeup Revolution Instinct palette. And before I pull you in closer to let you get a see look of how I created this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and check me out on any of my social media because I will have a shortened tutorial of that on my Instagram and probably Twitter too, we'll see, and on my TikTok. So let's dive right on in. So taking the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2, we're going to go with the first color here as seen. We're going to use that to blend out in the crease and up to the eyebrow to provide maximum coverage for the layers of orange and red to come for the sunset portion of this look. I use windshield wiper motions and small circular motions to blend it out, and using very little product each time going in, so that way I'm not using too much and packing on too much. It starts to look patchy and uneven and just looks seamless throughout the entire look. So here you're going to take the orange color as seen here from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette and use it as your next transitional color in your crease and blend up towards your brow. But make sure that you leave room so that way you can see the yellow and it's not too harsh lines. You've blended it seamlessly with this brush or with a smaller, more detailed brush. I use this one to get the exact amount of color I want on the lid without overdoing it. I do this with small amounts each time, slowly patting it, and then windshield wiper moves to blend it out, and small circular moves just to make sure it looks seamless and it is not too harsh of a line definition between the two. Here I'm going to take this red pigment from the palette and use this as the last transitional shade inside the crease. This one will stay further down into the crease while adding a nice different tone for the look to make it look more realistic in a way. I use a much smaller brush so that way I did not accidentally put too much too high, and I was able to fully control my blend using small circular motions and windshield wipers back and forth. Now this is a pigment, so you do have to use just a little bit more to make it show up, because usually when you blend it out it kind of dies down in color, but be patient with it and do it little by little and it'll come out perfectly how you want it. After cutting the crease with the Tarte Shape tape, I'm going in with the Alexis Stone Instincts palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm going to use this top blue in the blue column in order to create the water effect on the eyeshadow look. I'm going to place this down in small portions. I'm going to use little by little like we have been doing so far in this video. I'm going to use small circular motions along with padding to get this color down and to make it look vibrant and gorgeous. I do not go all the way up to the top of the cut crease, as I plan on using a glitter liner to draw some extra attention to the eye. So I try and keep it low but high at the same time and making sure I get an even coat all across the lid here. Here I am taking the dark blue shade at the bottom of the column onto the outer portion of my lid in the corner. I've applied tape on the bottom to make the cleanup easier in the end. I use a small buffing brush to lightly blend this out, using little by little color, not using too much like always, and using circular motions and windshield wiper movements to blend it out to make it look seamless between the two colors, along with not going up too far to leave extra room for that glitter liner I'm going to apply later. My camera wouldn't focus during the portion of applying the glitter liner, so I have skipped that portion in here, but you see the final look with the Colourpop lashes and Style Hunni. So I hope you enjoyed the look I created today. If you have any questions or want any extra tips, just leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my social media. All of my social media will be linked down below unless you followed the link from my social media. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.